All right, let's dive into one of the most fascinating places on Earth, the hot desert. Now, when you hear the word desert, what pops into your head? Maybe you picture endless sand, blazing sun, and almost no water. That's true. But here's the thing. Deserts are actually full of life, if you know where to look. Let's start with some desert basics. The desert is hot and dry during the day, but it gets cool at night. Life here is all about balance, finding enough food and energy while avoiding danger. So let's talk about energy. Every animal in the desert needs it to live, but food is hard to find. That's why animals have some pretty clever tricks up their sleeves. Take the owl, for example. During the day, it hides in the shade, maybe behind some rocks. When the sun sets and it gets cooler, the owl comes out to hunt. That's when it looks for food like rats or small lizards. And the lizard? It's a master of hiding. During the hottest part of the day, it stays under rocks or burrows in the sand to keep cool. When it gets hungry, it comes out, usually in the early morning or at night, to look for insects. Now let's throw a snake into the mix. Some snakes in the desert only come out at night, when it's cool and their prey is active. They might eat rats, lizards, or even birds. And then, of course, we have the camel, kind of the king of the desert. Camels can go for days without water and eat plants most other animals wouldn't touch. Talk about tough. All these animals are part of a food chain, a system that helps keep nature in balance. For example, plants use the sun's energy to grow. Small animals like rats eat the plants. Then, bigger animals, like snakes and owls, eat the rats. And when these animals die, their bodies give energy back to the earth. It's all connected. So why does this matter? Because when we understand how animals survive in the desert, we learn about the balance of nature and why it's so important to protect these unique places. Here's a quick challenge for you. Think of one desert animal and try to describe how it finds food and keeps safe. Share what you come up with in the comments. I'd love to see your ideas. Thanks for hanging out with me and exploring the wild world of the hot desert. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome science adventures. See you next time.